Yes. Hi, my name is Camila and I'm going to explain this problem of the subject of limits, and I'm going to solve this algebraically. The first step to solve this problem is you have to factor both parts of the division, the numerator and the denominator. The first part you can do it by parentheses, like this. And then you have to think about two numbers that multiply give you 2, which is 2 and 1. And because you have an x squared, you just put both of the x here. And because you have a minus sign here, it means both of the signs that are going to go here are going to be different, and the biggest is going to be positive. So I'm going to put them at the end. And then you have to think about two numbers that multiply give you 27, which are 9 and 3. So you put it like this, and then you put the signs, which are the biggest one has to be positive, so it's like that. So that's the numerator factorized, and then the denominator, it's easy because the only thing you have to do is take out the x. So just take it out and you'll have something like this, and after that you just have to cancel this part and this part, which leaves you with 2x plus 9 over x.
Hi, my name is Hector and I'm going to explain the second part of the problem. In this part we're going to replace x for 3, so we're going to put 2 plus 9 divided by 3, and then we're going to solve. So it's 6 plus 9 divided by 3 equals to 3, and it's equals to 5. And that's your limit.
My name is Vivi and I will be solving problem number 53 from the lab, which is under the category of derivatives, and it will be solved by definition. And so the problem is f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 4x minus 1. As you all know, the way of solving it by definition is using the formula f of x is equal to f parentheses x plus h minus f of x. So this is the formula that we will be using for this problem, and everything is over h. And so the first step is to substitute in every x the parentheses x plus h, and that's what we will be doing. So we have 3 parentheses x plus h squared plus 4 parentheses x plus h minus 1 minus parentheses, which is, and then you have to put f of x, which is this. So 3x squared plus 4x minus 1, and everything over h. And that's the first step, and after that we will factorize and we will solve every parenthesis. So we have 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 4x plus 4h minus 1, and then we have minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. After that, a little trick that our teacher taught us is that you cancel, so this 3x squared and this negative 3x squared cancel, and then this 4x and this minus 4x cancel also, and the negative 1 and the positive 1. And so you are left with only the things that are with h, and so we have, and we rewrite them. So we have 6xh plus 3h squared plus 4h, everything over h. So I will explain the rest of the problem, which is basically just taking out the h of the numerator because you're going to factorize it, so you can cancel the h on the bottom. So you do it like this. So you take out the h and you're left with 6x plus 3h plus 4. All of this over h. This h cancels this one, so you're left with 6x plus 3h plus 4. Now the h is equal to 0 because we're working with h is equal to 0 over a limit. So you are just left, so this 3 multiplies 0, which is 0, so you're just left with 6x plus 4. Now this will be your answer.